Deno is a secure JavaScript and TypeScript runtime, similar to Node.js. In fact, the original developer of Node.js, Ryan Dahl, is also the developer of Deno. But there are some differences. First of all, Deno requires express permission for things like reading and writing files, and also network access. This is why Deno refers to itself as a secure runtime. As the name TypeScript runtime implies, TypeScript support is included without the need for a separate compilation step outside of Deno. Also, Deno's imports follow ECMAScript standards, allowing file paths and URLs only. Deno, like many other modern toolchains, includes a standard default formatter, linter, test runner, and bundler. With Deno's release coming next month, May 13th, 2020, I decided to give it a go and share my experience getting started with it. I hope it can inspire or help you in some way. To get started, let's head over to Deno's official website, deno.land, for installation instructions. After installing, you can verify everything works by executing the simple program on Deno's homepage in your terminal. Congratulations, you just ran your first Deno program. Perhaps after your first dose of Deno, you're ready for more. Scroll down to the bottom of Deno's website and check out some available third-party modules. I did some research and found a web server called Oak. Just like before, copy and paste the example and you're off to the races. Well, maybe not. Like I mentioned earlier, we have to give our program permission to access the network. Also note, the code does not log any information, so learn from my mistake and don't wait around for 30 seconds for your program to tell you it's ready. If you copy and pasted correctly, localhost 8000 should greet you with, "Hello world! Congratulations, you're now a Deno web developer." But something's still missing. I want to make use of the awesome TypeScript developer experience. With some more research and the aid of some helpful people on Deno's Discord channel, I found a VS Code plugin by Axe Troy. After following the instructions from the plugin's README, I updated my settings.json. And look, no more compiler errors, I have helpful code completion, and what JavaScript coding experience would be complete without formatting on save? My initial impressions are hopeful. Deno felt good, but being as young as it is, the community is small, and the tooling is sparse, but I do anticipate this changing quickly. Here are some of my thoughts. The fact that TypeScript is a first-class citizen is great. This will lower the entry barrier to help introduce developers to its benefits without all the hassle of configuration options and setup. I also like the prospect of a standard default linter and formatter. I think it'll be good for the language as a whole. But let's address the elephant in the room. JavaScript is already quite divided. There's 3 frameworks for everything, multiple module systems, too many browsers to support, and now we're going to have a second runtime to further divide the server-side environment? Well, maybe not. With Deno's import system matching ECMAScript standards, along with the runtime providing server-side implementations of browser-specific features like fetch, web workers, and others, perhaps Deno is what's best for the unity of JavaScript in the long term. Like I said, I remain optimistic and hopeful, and I look forward to the upcoming release. I hope you enjoyed.